Tell us all about it. Yeah. What did you do today? You went to Subway? And then what did you do then?
It's snowing.
Is the light on? Did you go for a ride in the car? Did?
Yes.
Where's your feet? Oh, yeah. It was fun, was it? Oh, yeah. It was fun in the car, wasn't it? Yeah. What are you going to do tomorrow? Are we going to go for another drive tomorrow? We'll sneak you somewhere while Mommy's working. Okay? We'll go do something fun while no one knows. Yeah.
What?
What's Mommy doing?
Okay. We're gonna say bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.
Wave. Bye-bye.
Oh,
Will you
say
leave
bye.
me? Bye-bye.
After a while, crocodile.